down my mucus. Cause you know that be my slime.
I swear that girl she a 10. Yeah, keep her around. I swear that girl she a gem.
Hey gems, and welcome back to May Chronicle. It is a random August day. It's actually August 4th. I'm in the Walmart parking lot. I have work. My report time today is 2:28, but I decided I wanted to cook before I leave. I want to try to make it a habit that I cook before I leave, because that way I have something to eat and my boyfriend has something to eat without us having to spend so much money. Lately, I have not been liking leftovers, so I'm not going to take as much with me. I may eat it for like the first 2 days, or probably not even that, knowing me. But yeah, so I'm going to make spaghetti. That's what I've been wanting. I don't usually cook this early in the morning. It's almost 10 a.m. I want to leave the house by 1 p.m. So I need to be done cooking no later than 12. Spaghetti is so easy to cook, so that's why I chose it. Plus, that's what I was wanting. I probably would have woke up earlier if I wanted something extra. But yeah, I am going to vlog. I'm going to try to vlog a little bit more to get you guys back into the groove with me. I've been having a lot going on, and I just do not post. I think I've became very private in my day-to-day life, and not necessarily like for any reason or anything. It's just I've been living like just going with the flow of things instead of like, you know, just posting all the time. And plus, I don't like editing, so I can make a video so easily, but the editing part is like what gets me. And if I can get out of that, I will be a-okay. But yeah, I plan to get back, so we back at it. I should have posted the Bali trip before now. That was for my birthday. I'm sure you guys probably seen it already, because I will post it before this one. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Tell me what you think. Bali was a time. When I say I enjoyed Bali, like, I really enjoyed Bali. And if it wasn't it's 16 hours to get to Seoul, South Korea, and I think it was 6 hours to get to Bali from Seoul. But it's worth it. Like, I would really go again. Not anytime soon, but I would go again. The food was good too. So anyways, let me go get this stuff so I can literally start cooking and get myself together. I don't pack really good for work, because I just be like, oh my god, it's work. And I'm doing real estate on my layovers and, you know, helping my clients and things like that. So I really never enjoy my layovers. I want to start enjoying them, because that's like the whole point. So 2 of the hotels that I'm going to, I think they have pools, but like rooftop pools. So, well, no. Okay, so one of my layovers is shorter, so they put us in a different hotel. So only one of my layovers this trip has a rooftop pool. I think all of them have pools, but I don't want to go to them. It's not worth it. It's not a rooftop. But yeah, so I'm going to go to the rooftop pool, and I just want to make more of my layovers. If I'm going to be there, then that's the least I could do, you know. This guy's just staring at me so hard, like he's like, so I'm trying to put this thing down, he's like looking up like this, trying to stare at me like, geez. Anyways, y'all, let me go get this stuff, stop wasting time, so I can get to it, get to cooking, get to getting ready to go, so I can pack. Because if I don't have enough time, I'm not gonna pack. That means I'm not going to the pool. But yeah, see you guys in a little bit. Oh, and also I'm working with my favorite flight attendant. And she literally, like, I'm gonna have to get her to tell you how she got this trip, because she wasn't planning about working with me, and I love her for it. Anyways, see you guys in a little bit. So I got some bananas, nectarines, bell pepper, onion, egg, of course, ground turkey, angel hair pasta. I'm only going to use one of those. Got tomato and basil, and traditional marinara, and of course tomato paste. I have like 2 hours to basically cook, get ready and everything. That's why I'm so glad my hair is like this, because I don't have to worry about my hair, just do my edges, you know, and I'll be ready. So see See you guys in a little bit. I'm about to finish watching Too Hot to Handle while I cook. So I didn't want to eat my leftovers. I don't know, I just don't want it. So I'm just going to eat a little bit of this before I get ready for work. Me and my friend my flight attendant friend really went to McDonald's. I look very orange, but it's because of this light. But we went to McDonald's. When I say went, we really did go, because we called an Uber and went there because we wanted our food hot and ready. Anyways, I'm not even hungry no more. Oh, it got right. But I'm not even hungry no more. That's the crazy part. I ate a couple fries. I got a large fried double cheeseburger. No onion. No onion. Add lettuce, tomatoes, and extra pickles. So yeah, and a sweet tea. This is what I got. It is currently 12 o'clock on the dot. It's 1 o'clock in Atlanta. Well, no, that's the wrong time. This is the actual time. 11:58. But yeah, I'm finna eat and call it a night. Good night, y'all. Got my Chipotle bowl. They decided to close for like 30 minutes, so the line was very long. They thought it was going to help. It didn't help because the line was probably like 3 times as long as normal. But finna eat this. We're finna board shortly, so let me hurry up. Hey. I want to show you. Huh?
Will I see you today?
You can.
You gonna come to the house?
I will. Alright, you guys, I'm about to do this gender bliss prediction test that I got from Amazon. It says that it's a 50-50 chance of being correct, which is like basically saying it may not be accurate. So put your predictions in the comments below and we'll see who's right at the end of this video. So I think they said this is a 2.5 milliliter syringe. You may need 5 milliliters. I had a lot of urine, so I think I put too much in the cup, but it doesn't matter because all I have to do is put it in here. And if it turns red, that means it's a girl. If it turns blue, then a boy. Y'all, my urine is so light. So they said it takes a minute for the results. I've only put like a few drops in and it is blue. So we'll see if it's going to actually be blue on the gender reveal day. And the results are in.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam?